If we are interested in plotting the graph for position time, velocity time and acceleration time, then the graph will be as shown in the figure. From the graph and equations we can see that the phase difference between velocity and displacement is pi by 2. Phase difference between acceleration and velocity is also pi by 2, and the phase difference between acceleration and displacement is pi. If we are interested in plotting the general graphs have also been shown in the figure. When the particle will not start its journey from mean position, then position time graph will also not start from the mean position. Always remember, the mean position is a position where velocity of a particle remains maximum and kinetic energy of the particle also remains maximum. At mean position, potential energy of the particle remains minimum. It is not necessary that at mean position, potential energy of particle performing SHM is zero. At mean position, remember, potential energy of particle remains minimum. The potential energy of a particle at mean position is known as 0 point energy. The potential energy of a particle at mean position is known as 0 point energy. Now let us see some problems in SHM. A body of mass 1 kg is executing simple harmonic motion whose equation is given by y equal to 6 cos 100t plus pi by 4 centimeter. Find amplitude of the motion, angular frequency of motion, initial phase, general equation of velocity and maximum kinetic energy of particle. Just compare the equation with the general equation. We get amplitude of motion equal to 6 centimeter and angular frequency is 100 per second. Initial phase is pi by 4. General equation of velocity equal to v equal to omega root a square minus y square. So v equal to 100 under root 36 minus y square. And general equation of acceleration equal to omega square y. General equation of acceleration a equal to minus omega square y, that is equal to minus 10 की power 4 y. Since kinetic energy remains maximum when particle remains at extreme position, so maximum kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Kinetic energy remains maximum when particle remains at its mean position. Since at mean position, velocity of particle remains maximum and its value is equal to amplitude into omega. So maximum kinetic energy equal to half mv maximum square equal to half m a square omega square. Just substitute the value, you will get maximum kinetic energy equal to 18 joule. A particle of mass 0.8 kg and amplitude 1 meter having time period 11/7 seconds is performing SHM. Find its velocity and kinetic energy when displacement of the particle from mean position is 0.6 meter. Write the general equation v equal to omega root a square minus y square. Substitute the value of a and y. We get velocity v equal to 3.2 meter per second and kinetic energy at a position of 0.6 meter equal to half mv square. Substitute the value of m and v. We get kinetic energy at this position equal to 4.1 joule.